Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's next affordable variant, the Galaxy A27, moves closer to official launch. Samsung's mid-range design looks sharper than before. Samsung's new Galaxy A27 is starting to look more real, after appearing on Samsung Brazil's official website. New leaks suggest that the mid-range phone is moving closer to release. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. What stands out most is not only the variant's presence on an official page, but also the direction of its key design. Leaks from Steve Hammerstoffer McFly, also known as OnLeaks, together with Hot EU deals, point to a front side that looks noticeably more refined than the previous Galaxy A26. The biggest visual shift appears to be on the display side. The new upcoming Galaxy A27 is said to move to an Infinity O punch hole cutout for the front camera, replacing the Infinity U water drop notch used on the Galaxy A26. That change gives the phone a more modern appearance at first glance. Thinner bezels are also expected to help the handset look tidier and closer to Samsung's flagship-style design language. For a mid-range model, that kind of visual upgrade matters. A cleaner front can often shape the first impression more strongly than raw specifications, and Samsung appears to be leaning into that effect with the Galaxy A27. Beyond the redesign, the new Galaxy A27 is also rumored to feature a 6.7-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Performance information has also started to emerge. The new Galaxy A27 is said to run on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, which would give Samsung a competitive base for a device in the mid-range segment. On the back, the Galaxy A27 is expected to carry a triple camera setup. The configuration reportedly includes a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a megapixel macro camera. The front camera is also said to receive an upgrade, rising to 12 megapixels. That change fits naturally with the new punch hole design, which makes the selfie camera area look less intrusive. Battery capacity is expected to remain at 5000 mAh. Samsung is also said to keep 25 watts fast charging. New leaks suggest that the mid-range phone is moving closer to release and will launch in the coming days, and the price will be a little higher. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.